In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner overlay to your Weebly website. Whether you're looking to create a more sophisticated look or simply want to enhance the visual appeal of your website, adding a banner overlay is a simple yet effective way to achieve this. Let's walk through the steps together. First, navigate to your Weebly site's editor. The editor is where you make all of your visual and structural changes to your website. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so. It's important to be in the right location to make these edits, so double check that you are where you need to be within your site. At the top bar of the editor, you'll see a variety of options. Click on Theme. This section allows you to customize the overall design and layout of your site. Weebly themes come with predefined styles, but they are customizable to fit your specific needs. Once you've clicked on the Theme tab, look to the left sidebar. Here you'll find several additional options to adjust how your theme appears. You want to navigate to Theme Options. Clicking this will open an array of settings that directly affect the aesthetic aspects of your website. Within the theme options, there's a feature called Show Banner Overlay. By enabling this option, you add a subtle layer to your banner that can dramatically alter your site's appearance, making text more readable or adding depth to your imagery. It's a simple toggle switch, so just make sure it's turned on. After enabling the banner overlay, you can now choose the overlay color that best suits your website's design. You'll notice several color sliders to play around with to find the perfect hue. This is where you can get creative. If you have a specific color in mind, or if you want to match your brand colors exactly, you can also paste in your hex code directly. Adjusting the color helps ensure that the overlay complements your site's existing color palette and enhances readability on your website header or main banners. Once you've selected your color, you've completed the process, and there you have it. Your Weebly website now has a polished banner overlay that can improve its visual impact and user experience. Remember, great web design often lies in the details. A simple change like this can make your site stand out. If you found this instructional walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing and personalizing your Weebly site. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.